Is that a good one? Let me check it out. And roll! Show! Amazing. Amazing. You have no idea. You know, in this age group, they have a part of their motor skill development is lacking when it comes to spinning. That spatial sensory that you have when you spin, that proximity, they don't have it at this age. So these patterns, they were designed not for children, I think. But they're able to do that, and I'm really proud of them getting around all those turns. That was pretty good. Feet together. Set.
Sir.
Oh, I got to see it again. One more time. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. On your dog. I like it. I like it a lot. Set. And to me. Don Goon. Nail this one. Ready. Set. Go.